In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a left rear brake hose on your G35 Infiniti. Using a 21mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the rear wheel. Before undoing the brake hose from the caliper, make sure you have a bucket under it. It will leak some fluid. Using a 12mm socket, undo the bolt for the brake line to the caliper. I'm going to use a pair of locking pliers on the bottom of this line. I'm going to clamp it on here so that when I go to twist this top, it's just an extra precaution that the bottom doesn't spin. Using a 10mm, we're going to undo the nut on the brake line. Remove the hard line from the soft line and remove your locking pliers. Using a pair of pliers, I'm going to remove the little lock tab for the soft hose. Pull back. Remove the hose out of the bracket. I'm just going to clean the area up a little bit. Grab your new hose. Install the new line. And put the lock in place. Install the hard line into the new soft line. Torque the flare nut to 12 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. Make sure there's one copper washer on top. Install the union bolt into the brake line and then put one more washer on bottom. And then install it into the caliper. Torque the union bolt to 13 foot-pounds. Remove the bleeder cap. Using an 8mm wrench, open up the bleeder screw. We're going to wait for a steady stream of brake fluid to come out with no bubbles in it, and then we'll go ahead and close it. We'll let this gravity bleed for a little bit. Be sure to check your reservoir. Do not let it run dry. If you need to, add some fluid. Once we have a nice steady drip with no bubbles coming out, go ahead and close the bleeder screw. Wipe the area and reinstall the bleeder cap. Install the wheel. Start the lug nuts. Snug down the lug nuts. Torque the 5 lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.